Friends are really important in life, I must say. They're like your chosen family or with whom you share your feelings, your thoughts, experiences, and most importantly, your time too. If you were to ask me if I know someone who doesn't have a friend, I'd be clueless to say that I know someone because, yes, everyone has a friend. Could be a sibling, like in my case, or a classmate, like in my case, a neighbor, like in my case, a pet dog, in my case, God, in my case, or even yourself, in my case. My case. But have you ever wondered if you could make a friend through light? Yes, light, like the sun, the bulb, or the spiritual kind of light. Well, I have, and be honest, you're watching me through it right now. I assume you're watching from a phone right now or on a bed and around 9 p.m. But did you know that the average phone today has close to 1 million pixels? Yes, 1 million pixels. Imagine having 1 million. If I had $1 for every phone pixel I had in my hand right now, I'd have enough to buy like 25,000 Elden Ring DLCs. Like, please subscribe. Anyway, back to the topic. See, there are a handful of platforms to make friends right now, and I'd be lying if I said that I only have a few online friends. In fact, I have hundreds. But those hundreds of friends, I'm not quite sure if they're numbers on the screen or if they're unique individuals with different and shared experiences with their own feelings and thoughts, scattered around the globe. But let's find out. So what I did is I asked some of my friends online, my closest online friends, some of them I've met in real life, and I asked them this question. Dear friend, I have a survey for this project I'm making. If you can you send a separate voice message for every answer that you have? I deeply appreciate it. Well, they did not send a voice message, so I'd have to read them all by myself. RIP. First question is, how long have you been online friends? My friend, Billiam, doesn't rhyme with William at all. My friend Billiam says that we've been friends ever since grade 7. True. My other friend, Line, doesn't rhyme with 9, says that we've been friends since grade 10. Yep, I do remember that. My other friend, whose name rhymes with Seal, says that we've been friends since birth. When exactly? My other friend, Dab, rhymes with Gab for some reason, says that we've been friends since grade 10. I do remember that. It was somehow a random meeting and then we became friends after a few months, which is crazy to think about. My friend Ren said that we've been friends for 2 to 3 years now. And my other friend, Okuyasu Nijimura, a subscriber, thanks for the subscribe by the way, said that we've been friends for 4 years now. He believes. And yeah, it's the longest so far. 4 years. Second question is, how did we become friends? Okay, so Billiam here said grade 7. True. I mean, it was totally not my brother who was your best friend and who connected me with you. But yeah, grade 7. Second question, again. And my friend Line answered with since birth. Okay, I get that. And then Seal replied with we created Facebook together. So is this what, Social Network? By the way, great movie. I'm gonna review it someday, I don't know. But it will happen. My friend Dab said that we met in Sports Fest, which is true. It was an event in school and then we just randomly chatted and that's what happened. 10 replied with, how did we become friends? I guess we just clicked or vibed with one another and had the shared interest of story-driven video games. True enough, yeah, actually, yes. My friend Okuyasu replied with online through Facebook, thanks to the online role-playing cringe era and shitposting. We will not elaborate further. The third question is, what were the benefits of social media in building our friendship? Billiam replied with trust. Line replied with, he kept on sending me IG reels even though I don't open it too much. See you later, bro. The next from Seal is, we became billionaires. So, you're Saverin and I'm Zuck. Okay. Dab replied with, holy IG reels. Yeah, there are a lot of Jesus reels on IG and I mean, they're great in some capacity. Not everything is great, mostly clickbait, but there are some great content out there. My friend Ten said that we were able to meet one another through a time where we may have never met at all. Such true words. Okuyasu replied with, "It's how the internet unites us and can make the world seem smaller to us, despite how vast and enormous the world and universe truly is. For instance, it made us familiarize one another from basic things to hobbies, interests, goals, dreams, to more specific and even niche stuff like philosophical beliefs, movie reviews, album reviews, video games, TV shows, and series, etc. That is, again, true because I was the review guy.
Hi everyone, don't think Tano.
In my circle, I was the one that said, this movie is a 10 out of 10 because it resonated with me, but this movie is an 8 because it was about to reach perfection but it fell flat. And my final question is, would it have been better if we became friends in real life or social media? Why? Billiam said real life because it's real. Line said, not really, it's just because that we're far away from one another. True, yeah, I mean, he's like 30 kilometers away from me, which is not too far in the grand scale of things, but we wouldn't have been friends if not for Facebook or Messenger, Instagram. But it definitely helped that we eventually met each other in real life. Cool guy, by the way. Amazing person. Another from Seal is real life because he sold my shares. My friend Dab replied with, much better IRL because we have a lot to talk about, which is true. He's such a wholesome dude offline, and online more so of a bit of fun and seriousness to it. So yeah, he's a great person. He also likes reviewing or watching my content, which definitely helps a lot in the feedback aspect of stuff. Actually, I think all of them have watched my content, which are great, especially Billiam and Line. Like, they were integral to how I viewed my channel, and then eventually Seal showed up, Dab showed up, Ten showed up, and even my friend Okuyasu who subscribed to my channel. The next person is Ten. Would it have been better if we became friends in real life or social media? Why? I believe that meeting in real life has a personal touch to it, and it's more beneficial that way. For me, being able to interact with the person directly is very touching, and I prefer relationships like that. Best answer, by the way. It's really something profound. No offense to my other friends, it's just that though they were leaning into more of the casual and funny directions. And my last friend on the list, if you ask me, I wouldn't mind if we met either way. Although it'd be great to see you IRL. Yeah, definitely, like, maybe in the near future. Truly, yeah.
My disappointment is immeasurable. And my day is ruined.
Except, I left the last but not the least, my best friend, who I'll just name Healer, because that's his nickname of sorts. Take it away, Healer.
How long have we been online friends? I think I don't wanna be called fake friend. I think we become acquaintance on 2021, and then we became friends in 2022. How did we become friends? It's because of a series called Breaking Bad. You recommended me a series, and it's a masterpiece. It's so dope that I was so hooked up in the series that I finished it in 3 weeks, I think. Yeah. And we realized that we realized that you and I have something alike, and that's the whole story of it. First thing first, is accessible. You can install WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, anything, Telegram, like anything, literally anything. You can install anything, and it's really accessible. You can access it. You just need Wi-Fi, internet, and you can chat whenever you wanted. You can chat 3 a.m., morning, night. It depends on you. Would it have been better if we became friends in real life or social media? Why? I think it's better that we became friends in social media because if we met in real life, like if we met like that, it's gonna be awkward. We're probably not gonna talk each other, or if we do, I don't think it's gonna go well. It's gonna be awkward. There's gonna be an awkward silence. It's gonna be a doomsday if we. So I think it's better if we talk in social media first, because it's gonna minimize the awkwardness of it. And yeah, it's better. There's no social battery need in talking in social media.
Those are some of my online friends and close friends and even a best friend that I've known for years. You know, without them, I quite literally wouldn't be who I am right now. It's important that you learn to meet people from all walks of life, and if the only way you'll be able to do that is online, well, so be it. With all that said, thank you for watching.